Hi, thank you for joining us for another comprehensive but easy to follow top list. Even the most seemingly simple product can prove remarkably complex, especially when you're trying to find the one that's right for you. That's why we put this video together. We want to use our expertise to guide you towards the choice that is best for you and your baby as well. In preparing this list, we've reviewed literally dozens of products, basing our rankings on a number of factors, including the features of the product, value for money, and the reputation of the manufacturer. We even read countless reviews from mothers just like you. The final selected products meet, and in some cases exceeded, our high standards, so you'll definitely be able to find the right product for you in this video, saving yourself a lot of time and countless trips to the store in the process. Let's get started.